Hello everyone, today we are going to explore another AI tool today, and it is a very interesting tool where you can just swap your face with another image. And the tool name is aifaceswap.io. And if you scroll down, you can find here you need to upload the images whichever you need to swap your face to. So I will choose a random images from internet. So I am going to face swap MS Dhoni's face in this John Wick's photo, and let's see the result. We have got the end result here and I will show you in the full screen. Can you see here? MS Dhoni's face is swapped with John Wick's photo. This is very simple. You can do it with any images. This video is just for educational purposes. You should never mislead or misuse anyone's photo and make fun of it. And I think this video is very useful for you, and I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.